Well, g'day there traders and friends right around the world. It's James here on behalf of Pivot Point Trading. I just wanted to bring you a special update. Obviously, this coming Wednesday is a very important day for both the US equity markets and also the foreign exchange markets. The Federal Reserve is set to make an announcement about 2 p.m. Eastern Time in regards to their current stance on monetary policy. Will they make some form of an actionable decision to raise interest rates in the near future, or are they going to remain patient? That is that one word, that one reference of dialogue, which a lot of investors and traders around the world are going to be paying close attention to this coming Wednesday. Expect some form of a move in the overall markets, of course, in the Forex markets as well. I just wanted to bring that to your attention because if you're looking at getting into trades this coming Tuesday, this Tuesday's trading session, I'd sort of encourage you to maybe sit on the sidelines and just wait for that announcement, get better clarification on what the bigger picture of the tide or what the momentum of the market is going to do, because it's going to, of course, be affected quite considerably come 2 p.m. Eastern Time on the Wednesday. All right, what the Fed says and how they change their stance on monetary policy is, of course, going to have a big type of influence on the equity in both the Forex markets. Please pay attention to that announcement. I'll give you an update on Wednesday afternoon when we have more information. It seems as though the markets have started to price in the potential of an interest rate rise. Obviously, we've pulled back from the highs going back to the beginning of February, so maybe the market is already anticipating that word of patience to be removed from the Fed announcement. That is what my hunch is suggesting, but until we get it in written format or until it is made public, please remain neutral on the overall three US markets. For those of you who are Forex traders, there is going to be a lot of opportunity during Wednesday's trading session. If they do remove the word patience from this statement, then I do think that there is going to be an influx into the dollar. A lot of people are going to start transferring other currencies into the US dollar to make advantage of that rate rise, especially when a lot of governments around the world, a lot of other sort of again, governments around the world are cutting interest rates. If the US is on the forefront of interest rate rises, well, then you'll see a lot of influx into the price of the US dollar, i.e. the appreciation of the US dollar will continue. Let me just bring this up. At the moment, we are rallying into that pretty much that $1 US value, that 100-cent US dollar index value. At the moment, it's acting as resistance. But again, if the Fed changes its stance on that one word, patient, it's pretty sad in many ways how a lot of people are paying attention to one single word, but it is going to have a huge impact on the Forex markets and, of course, the equity markets. Please pay very close attention to that. I will bring you an update on the Wednesday afternoon when we have some form of data to work with in the response of what the market, had going off what Janet Yellen is about to say. So I just needed to bring that to your attention. A very big piece of fundamental and macroeconomic information which will be brought to the market this coming Wednesday. Thank you so much. I hope this finds you in time. You've got 2 trading sessions to see this and at least, mitigate risk in the way of open trades, even Forex trades. If you are privy to Forex trades, it's going to be, or at least have a lot of opportunity on that Wednesday afternoon. All the best traders around the world. Have a great Tuesday. If you are in trades, look at taking risk off the table as we move into Wednesday. All the best. Goodbye.